Are you serious? Babe, are you serious? This is good. Oh, my see good news now. Eh? I go laugh your units. No what I go laugh. It's okay. Okay. What now? What's in this one? Come on here now.
I didn't hear now.
You dare do it. Dare as you want the dare to your face. Leave me alone.
Babe, I'm happy for you.
My sister.
Finally.
The
Finally.
Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it finally. Finally.
Ah, see our baby. He's a boy.
I'm telling
He's
you.
a boy.
Listen to me.
Welcome, sir.
Leave me.
What is it?
Listen
now?
to me. Wherever you carry this thing, take it to that person.
What? Only why are you doing like this now?
What do you mean?
Maybe you're calling this thing.
It seems you are not. Is it because I told you I was looking for a child? You had to go outside and bring an illegal child wherever you brought this thing from.
Sir, you don't have to say a thing like that.
I will be very angry with you if you talk to me again. Do you understand? Okay, tell me, how long did I tell you? I mean, how long have I taught you?
Only you touch me every time. Now, which one is touching
I touch you every time.
You touch me every time.
Don't get me upset. Don't get me so upset before they say I am a very hot-tempered person.
Okay, take it easy on her.
Listen.
What is it now?
Listen to me. When you are done with this thing you are doing, go into that house, pack everything that belongs to you and get out. I don't want to see in my house. Carry this thing that is here. Go and give it to the owner.
Only this pregnancy is yours now. Why are you doing like
Don't
this?
tell me that thing again. Stop telling me
Okay,
that.
why are you
My
doing
child
this to
can
her?
never be like this. Look at the shape. How can my child be like this?
You are hurting her.
I am done.
It's okay.
I've told you.
Relax.
The way I'm going to slap you, you will not like it.
Ah, look at you, shameless man. You deny your responsibilities. It's okay, baby. You don't have to cry. Pull yourself together. What is it? Eh? No. Jesus. No, babe. Come. Hi.
Action.
Welcome. This is where I'm staying now. Yes. Abby. Welcome. Babe, how far now? This guy get my follow me from main road to this place. So anything where you don't say if you do to him, I bet you.
I'm not very fine boy.
Not very fine boy.
How far now? Wait.
Calm down. You know go calm down.
You know go in that house.
Sit down, go this side now. Where you want run go?
Why you no good?
You carry money? You no carry money.
You no carry
this
money.
guy.
Sure.
My phone, I'm not having my call.
You know go close mouth.
See ATM.
You don't see anything.
Come on.
Calm down now. What's in?
Follow my woman. Go and reach out.
Oh.
You got it 200.
That's so.
Go.
Bros, bye. We go see you next time.
They go.
Wait, what's up? We don't achieve up.
My bully, you can
No, I am.
Action.
Give me my back. Give this guy you. Cross, thank you. Thank you. No mind him. No, I'll be. The young one, I'm going. I'm just happy.